Nurses at Seattle Children's Psychiatric Unit gathered over a candlelight vigil to make their voices heard. They say they fear for their safety because of the violence inside that unit. King 5's Maddie White explains.
And that's because these Seattle nurses tell us they don't have enough resources to deal with a growing youth mental health crisis.
These are unsafe working conditions.
Nurses are demanding an end to what they say is violence they've experienced firsthand.
Incidents have been particularly shocking.
We have a lot of kids who are stuck on the unit without safe discharging plans, which has really just bottlenecked the entire system.
The Washington State Nurses Association says police have been called over violent incidents and that children are staying there for months because there's nowhere for them to go.
We need long-term solutions.
So they're asking for adequate discharge planning.
These conditions cannot continue.
And more staff.
Right now we only have 109 residential beds to serve every child in Washington State, which is very clearly not enough.
But she says they need more security staff too.
Safety officers on the unit to be able to help with behavior management, de-escalation, and really get to the root of the problem before it gets to the point of aggression.
Last month, the Washington State Nurses Association sent a letter to the facility urgently requesting more help in their unit.
But we need to also put the pressure on leadership, not just at the facility level, but at the state level, your lawmakers.
And actually a couple state lawmakers,
but it's not acceptable,
even showed up to this to share their takeaways.
in the state, including me as a legislator, not just the state, but your legislators need to step up and continue to say we are supporting and investing in the entire spectrum of care.
And I will be standing with you as you continue to make sure that you have a safe and equitable working environment.
Nurses are set to meet with hospital leadership on Wednesday. A few weeks ago, hospital leadership told us, quote, the safety, security, and well-being of Seattle Children's patients and workforce is our top priority, and we have intensified efforts over the past several months to address this demand. Reporting in Seattle, I'm Maddie White, King 5 News.